Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Gumroad for payouts, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin authenticating with Gumroad for payouts, start by visiting the Gumroad website. Log into your Gumroad account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the Payouts tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Payouts tab to access the payout settings. Now, locate the Connect Your Bank Account section. Here, you will find options to connect your bank account or another payout method. Choose your preferred payout method. If you select bank account, you may need to enter your account details. Enter your bank account number and routing number accurately. Double-check all entered information for any errors. Next, agree to any terms and conditions presented regarding payouts. Click the Connect button to link your bank account to Gumroad. After connecting, you may need to verify your account via an email confirmation. Check your email for a message from Gumroad and follow the verification link. Once verified, return to your Gumroad account settings. Confirm that your payout method appears correctly in the Payouts section. You have successfully authenticated your account for payouts on Gumroad. Now you are ready to receive payments for your sales. Make sure to keep your payout information updated in case of any changes. Periodically check your payout settings to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.